Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record and send a one-time disappearing video on WhatsApp. And yes, this is the real method, no clickbait. First, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version. You can update it from the Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Once that's done, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the disappearing video. Tap on the camera icon next to the message box to open the camera directly within WhatsApp. Now, long press the red record button to start capturing your video. Keep holding it until you're done recording. After you're finished, you can add a caption or doodle on the video if you want. The most important part comes next. Look for the one icon on the text bar just above the send button. Tap that icon to mark your video as a one-time view. Once selected, hit the send button and your video will be delivered as a disappearing message. The recipient will only be able to watch it once, and after that, it's gone for good. That's it. It's a quick and easy way to send something private or fun that doesn't stick around. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.